Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your actual Google Opinion rewards balance. Open the app, view wallet balance, and make sure your Google account is verified. Once done, open Google Play and check the balance shown under payment methods so you know how much you can use. Make sure you have the recipient's Google email if you plan to gift an app or content. This step matters because Google often ties purchases to accounts rather than issuing raw redeem codes. Next, use your balance to create a transferable value. Search for items with a Buy as Gift button or digital gift card SKUs available in your country. Choose the item, pick the recipient's Google email, and proceed to checkout. At payment, select Google Play Balance. If it covers the amount, complete the transaction. This effectively transfers value to the recipient via the gifted item. If Play doesn't sell gift cards in your region, look for reputable third parties. Finally, confirm delivery. Once purchased, check the sent gift link or code and ask the recipient to redeem or download it. Make sure to save the transaction ID and screenshot the confirmation. If the purchase fails or the recipient didn't get anything, first check region and payment country restrictions because Play Balance can be region locked. Also confirm account verification and two-step settings. If funds were deducted without delivery, contact Google support with your order ID and screenshots to resolve the transaction. This is the fastest way to recover missing value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.